what to do. I know. As a giant, I will crush the place down. Yeah, you get it. Crush it. Oh wait, why is this it's on fire. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Oh, but he probably got mad at me for crushing down this. Now you know what after this comes. It is jail. I mean, come on. But after that, once you get out of it, you're gonna be at a party. Yeah. Yeah. And then for that, after that, yeah. Oh no! Oh, definitely not. What I was thinking. This is what I was thinking. And I'm in jail. Not jail. Oh, why does it sound narration? Here's one thing I was thinking. No, not this. This. No, see it? No. Okay. Now walking back to my house in a storm. And now I am back here. What? This is totally not what I meant. I'm not like that anymore. What? Oh, it is going like that. Yay! Yeah, so, well, bye!